What's going on, guys? It's Insta, back again for another video. Today I'm going to be bringing you guys a battle video between Cosmo Valkyrie and Inferno Backlash. Just the stock combos, 11 Eternal, 00 Extend Plus. I'll keep Backlash in defense mode for now, but I might switch to attack mode. I'll probably keep the driver in defense mode this whole time. So let's get into it. I wanted to use Cosmo because not many people use it. Oh, really big contact by Backlash right there.
Causing a huge hit, but now it's just circling around like a dummy. Not really, it's awesome. Super awesome. It's gonna win right now.
See? Told ya. 1-0, Backlash in the lead. Some nice hits coming from Cosmo. Oh. It's gonna be another stamina match. And Backlash takes that one, 2-0. Alright, let's give Cosmo a chance. Man, I love you, bud. 3-2-0. Probably the best option for it to do. Try to spin around the bridge of the stadium for as long as possible. Oh, nice try. Oh, well, you're gone. You're dead. 5-2-0. Yeah, do that. Go. Oh boy. Cosmo, you see, you shouldn't do that. It kind of makes Backlash mad, and you don't want to make Backlash mad. It'll tear you to shreds. Yeah, just maybe don't. Maybe just. Okay, 6-0. Alright, back to defense mode. Come on, Cosmo. See what you got. Oh! I was in stamina mode for a bit there. Now I'm in defense mode. I'm going around bridge like idiot. English. It's hard for me sometimes.
Now hit each other. Right about.
Now. There we go. Can you put up a fight, Cosmo? Jeez, 7-0. Like, come on. And that was a terrible launch. I'm not gonna count that. But yeah, 7-0. Come on, Cosmo. I'm gonna count that just so it can have a point. 7-1. Oh. Come on, Backlash. Show it who's his boss. Oh, it's gonna be close. But Cosmo Valkyrie takes it. It's not so trash. 7-2, and I changed Backlash to attack mode. So, die. It stands no chance. I'm gonna stay in attack mode. That was a terrible launch. Gosh, what the heck? I'm gonna keep in attack mode. It's 8-2. Oh. Maybe you can catch Backlash in the stamina this round. Maybe. Come on, Cosmo. You are a stamina type. Just outlast me. Do it. Oh, gosh, you suck. Possible final round. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Kill it, Backlash. That's not, no. I know it didn't make contact, but I'm gonna leave it in. Because I want to give it a chance. Oh, nice. Another point for you. That was to no credit of yourself. Good job. I hope you feel good about yourself. So for this final round right here, I'm just gonna put it in attack mode and end Cosmo. Everything, you know, I'm gonna go defense, and I'm just gonna end Cosmo right here, because it's 9-4, I'm tired of these games, it's dying right now. Go shoot! 3, 2, 1, go shoot! I'm not satisfied, we're going for another round. I want to burst. I'm in mode, make it easier. I want to burst. Just do it, right now, I know you can. Chokehold. Chuckle slash. There we go. It's dead. It's in oblivion of darkness now. How do you feel, Cosmo? That's been the amazing power of my 3D printed Bay Inferno Backlash that was created by the one and only Quake and Bacon. Go search him up. He's an amazing person that makes awesome bays. Don't spam him asking you to make him a bay. That's rude. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video or live stream. Bye.